Somebody like me.
Hello. How's it going? Good kitties. Okay. Been kind of working on this on and off the stream, and the big thing I'm working on now is saving load system. But I think I went too big for the very beginning. Started watching tutorials and then I could have just done simple saves, but I ended up going with slotted save system, which is too ambitious, so I've been kind of lagging it. Hi C Sharp Boy, how's it going? So I just kind of mocked up a UI, basic, no image, just pure like text space. I got the prefab set up, but I got to wire up all the code. So originally I had only, this was that, and I only had this, and now I gotta work on all the rest of them. I don't know if I can remotely even finish today, but let's try and see what I want to see, and then if delete is pressed, then you do this. Otherwise, you go to the empty slot and try to start a game, then you do new game slot, and then continue from there. So I have to wire all that up, so it's gonna be kind of a lot of work. Plus, I don't even know how to like organize it, which is adding to the issue. Okay, anyway. Where was I? Oh, right. I took a quick break and I don't remember where I was. Uh-oh. Good. I was in the middle of organizing. Oh, that's right. I just dragged in a reference to the save box or save slots box that I should be turning on when I click play. Oh yeah, and I was in the middle of refactoring this stuff, so it should be a reference to the save. So and I need to move a lot of these functionality to the save slot for that. And still handle loading and switching scenes and all that stuff. So, is this VS 2026? Yes, I downloaded it immediately when it came out. Actually, I was notified and I was like, oh, yeah, it's nice. I like it. It's rounded, looks pretty. I mean, I can't really tell that much difference, but so far no issues. The only thing that's weird I noticed from the Unity is when I like double click some of these to open, it opens another solution. I think it's because I launched this solution separately. Does it feel fast? I would say so. Yeah, I can't really. My project wasn't that big anyway, so I couldn't really tell. But it's, if not faster, it's about the same in my current project size. So I just refactored this to just show the new menu. It's gonna be all jacked up, but let's see what it looks like. Where my Unity? Ooh, and starts out like that because I turned these off, but it should be done in code. So, do I have anything in the wake? Wow, I don't. Wow. And I have a GitHub Copilot and it gives me a lot of these suggestions, and sometimes it's nice, sometimes it's kind of meh, and I have to like manually hide all these. But let's see, does that sound right? Loading bar. Yeah, that's correct. I don't want that on there currently. Save slot is inactive, yes. Well, why don't you finish up with setting menu button box? There it is. Directive to true, yes. Let's see how that goes. Cool. Play goes there. Cool. Okay. None of these buttons are mapped currently, and these are all placeholder texts. So Oh, I can at least see the tints, which is not great. And I don't like the fact that this is highlighting this X also. It's not doing that. That I separated those. So container, stop it first. Go to prefab. But let's do one step at a time. So I don't get overwhelmed here. UI, slots panel, button itself. Okay, the slot entire panel is not, doesn't have the button component on it. So hover should only be doing changes on this top side, but it's not. Why is that? Because the target graphic is this. I move this over. Should be a select button. Yeah. So now it should look different. Play. There it is. Okay, so that's better. I don't have anything because I copied a quit button. It's saying game has been quit. That's wrong. And then there's focus issues. That's supposed to delete. And it should be, yeah. So there's a lot of work to do. Okay. Anyway. Slowly. There. Okay, so at this point, let me bring up my tutorial stuff too. At this point, I should be initializing to get all this stuff. We're getting save spots. Hierarchy. That's gonna get attached to here. Do all that stuff and save spot and am I supposed to do it here or here? I can't remember. Eesh. Okay. So that populates no data or save spot data is my button. So this is what I'm going to put my slot on. Or I could do try it here. Save spot. I don't know what these are. I think I did that. I don't think this is supposed to be here. Okay, that's a data field. This is supposed to be for businesses. Easy. Level that should be the level data. Not like the name of the currency I chose. Then object references to the panels. That's why. In this case, it'd be these two things. So okay, let's create a reference to those. She's gonna be on here. Here. Objects. Big game objects. One's gonna be, what did I name it as? Save slot data. Private. No slot. That kind of name is a little confusing. Just means slot has no data, so it's supposed to mean no slot data. Whatever, it's fine. I can refactor them if I want to later. Okay, and then do I want the delete button be present also? Yes, because I need to control the visibility of that based on if the slot has data or not. So okay, so those are things part of that. The only thing is this script is attached to top slot here, so it has to have reference to all the other ones too. One like this really may not matter about this. Having this top script have all of these. Okay, guess we'll find out. I think we want reference to the other two also to confirm, and maybe even the button, it's the top button itself. Trying to reference as a button. We know that's a. I do it before. Maybe I didn't need to. Well, let's see. Get all the references we need. First of all, this is gonna be this one, I'm not sure. I'll have to see. But header, I don't need to change those two. Oh wait, no. Oh, I have these as a save name. Oh no, that's a save data. It's not. Delete. Those are the panels. Oh, there's a lot of things. Maybe I should attach another script to these. It's gonna get pretty long. Let's kind of comment this to have this is the
feeling behind my eye. You stood out 'cause you were in red.
confirm delete button.
Against my intentions,
Where's the button attached to?
turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my
First
cold
have to
apartment.
enable this
Distance
guy.
sucks, but at least I'm still with you. Whiteout skies, middle November. You and I flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with
And then the panel, the text I don't need. Button panel. I have confirm delete and cancel delete. Button. Will be confirm new game panel.
festival that we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody
Cancel new game button.
as we close out the night.
Okay, there's a lot of game objects, but we'll organize it out eventually.
You in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you.
There's a lot of manual wiring things up here.
Middle November, you and I flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
So then if I go in here, there's a lot of things to
As long as
drag in. Select. Slot select button will be this guy.
as long as it's with
Save slot data panel. This guy. Yeah. Delete button. Confirm delete. Delete button. Cancel delete button. Game panel. Okay, so those are hooked up.
New Year's Eve, 300 miles, counting down next year.
Sounds
Close our way
okay.
as long as it's with you.
make sure I'm not using copyright music. References are there. So now on save slots, enable. This is actually on itself, save slot level. It'll just be get objects.
Close your eyes.
Where's my save slot? Here. So that should grab that script there. Then to initialize it to have the see, I need to show select buttons, so it'll be active. Then within that button, we need to have save slot data panel to be not active. Save slot data to be active.
Close your eyes.
Do initializing. Then at this point, this is very manual work, which is not great because I need, when you have no slot data, it should also not show the delete button. Then confirm delete panel should be, man, I definitely will need to refactor all this.
You are so heartless.
It's a lot of
You
things.
don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping.
Now we have to try and read all the saves.
And I don't even know what I've been fighting
So in the save slot menu, we have,
every time I fall in a deep.
didn't actually put these out either.
And I can't fight it. I can't fight it. You wreck my mind. I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need. So don't leave me alone. La, 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 la.
where's save slot menu going? Ooh. I might have done something wrong. I think that's so. This is the one that's supposed to have. This is supposed to. Each slot has its own stuff. Okay, so then if this goes in there, we have reference to the main menu. These slots will be getting in children. All the saves, so there's 3 of them. This make sure this actually continues downwards. Let's actually look that up. Does it actually search even 2 level deep? Does it search multiple levels? Hope it does. Personally, cool. Yes, that's what I want. Okay. So we get all the reference to the slots. Then reference to the so this will have to handle like loading the data into these containers. Oh yes, I do need a reference to them. So, let's see, is this right? Save slots.length, objects.add, game objects. Yeah, that's correct. Let's go pilot. And then this has become enabled from the main menu when you click save or play. So now in here, I think this one's already handled setting everything inactive. I don't have to worry about that. So I think this is just a matter of doing enable.
We used to be solid, not falling apart. Things never not okay when you were mine. You used to be honest, not pulling my heartstrings. Every other day you change your mind. 'Cause when you're high, you call me like I'm lonely.
Now you have to try and read all the data. Then I would have to go copy this pretty much here. Cloud objects. That this has not been implemented, but let's see. Then it's gonna read and populate any data applicable to that slot. Then I think this box has back button, so handle that. That'll be a what do I named that. This is actually gonna be slots box. Menu. Oh, I didn't actually create a function yet. No, I can't do back to main because on like options page I would have to do the same thing. So cancel game start. Now I have to set this object to false. But I think when I do that, it's gonna where is load? Part of the oh, maybe that's probably better, because if I disable and this menu is hooked up on this, the moment I disable it, the rest of the functionality is gonna break. Right. Remove that. Edit here. So then, does any of these still work? Be searching through all the children, so that works. So then this is gonna be main menu should have a reference to this guy. I think. Try to see how it's done here. Set. Probably dragged in. Which will be this. Oh. In main menu. Kind of cluttered here. Leave slots box object, which is over there. So this is the one that I want to disable. I have reference to main menu, so oh wait, that's not public. It should be a public. Ah. I have to like organize this somehow. I have to this boss and main menu dot which is the box, main menu box. Do serial spin. Because I need access to these. And then I have to drag those two into the main menu side. Set active to true. Okay. Then let's go. Oh, there's an error here. Game object and save slot menu. 7. Okay. Let's just create it here for now. That way I don't have an error. Oh, I need to check. That's not gonna be a game object. No, I was referencing a wrong one. It's gonna be save slots. Yeah. It's this. I know. So now go back to the main menu canvas, and the script that needs here is this guy goes in there, that goes in there. Actually, I won't need this guy. Clean that up. This won't be needed. So I don't need all this. Be main. Main menu box object. Oh, damn, all these numberings. did I name it? Main menu box. Alright, so that's there. So save that. I reload. Ah, crap. 66. Okay, I had one more. Do I have any more? Then let's see, look at this one. Those two. Ooh. And now what? So we were reading from here. On enable, we're gonna check all the save data. And it'll come here. All this, guys. What do I have to do in here? Slots. We have an enable, setting all of these. Then we are reading for any slots from this, right? Is this done in a way? This is done in unenable. So we're gonna read from any slots from here. We're gonna get its own slot number. Then that slot's file path is gonna be that. Now on to loading. This is just to wire up all the UI, but I don't actually have any save and load logic yet, so I have to implement those two. Mint chocolate chip ice cream Kit Kat, pretty good. I'm gonna need a namespace system.io. Check for files. Here. That exists. I think it exists. File that exists. Yeah. Path. Yeah. Okay. There's a whole bunch of logic I have to implement. I have this. Data is true. Then here I'm gonna have to read that and deserialize. Good, I had that. Okay. String. Text. Save file path. Then tools. JSON utility. From JSON. JSON. So data on our saved content. Okay, so then we have a saved data now. Now we have to update the UI. EV8. Okay. Okay, so this is where I have to implement all of the strings. And okay. And eventually we will have to enable. Hey Norky, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. Gonna be, let's see. This is gonna be false. That's gonna be true. And then the data fields, I went pretty ambitious. I should have just done one thing at a time, but let's see. I have this here, so I don't know how I'm gonna implement this yet, but I have all these.
The feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead.
I don't even have a scene number stuff yet, but let's see. Data dot, what do I got? In save data, do I even have? Wait, what is this? That's a wrong one. Ooh, that would have been bad. This is not mine. This is save data for the actual editor. Back up. Everything that I have saved data is supposed to be game saved data. That's my stuff. Okay, then now there it is. Player data dot oh no, this is a scene data. Scene data dot scene ID. There are 3 overloads for this. Oh, it's a format. There's a string format. Let's see a documentation for this actually. I think this is just a C# thing, but let's formats. New to C#, so I don't know these formats. To C#. Standard numeric format strings, C#.
New Year's Eve, 300 miles counting down. Next
it.
year will be close. I
I
will
think this one
wait
having
as
n0 as n probably is integer. Number, okay.
Oh man, you need some headphones, bro.
Followed by the number is what? What is C2? Is that the number of digits? Or is that precision?
You know I said just.
N. Where's N? And 1 is point. Okay, that's the precision. And 3 is gonna be 3 digits. That's decimal. Okay. So in my case, for level, actually this is supposed to be a string. Why am I looking at digits? Oh. Where's my scene data? That should be a string. Okay, so that's fine. That's already a string, so I don't have to do anything. Next is this. Next, this is gonna be probably just integer value, so this is gonna be player data, alt, to string, and 0. String. I don't think I can finish this today. This is too much work. Why are you not auto-completing for me? This is gonna be currency. Oh, because I capitalize it. Currency data. To string. Probably also n0. Thank you, appreciate it. I went with the scope little too big for a 1 day worth of work. Why is it complaining about toString? Is it already currency data? Oh, yeah, I named it. I arbitrarily named it Ilums, but that sounds weird. I will refactor that eventually. This death count is gonna be player data. Death count to string. Same thing. Time is something that I'm not sure because I don't know how to do C#, like getting time into a format string. So I'm gonna have to look at documentation for this one. And also, how did I actually didn't add the time in this yet. Probably do session data struct in here. Or I could just do... Is it worth creating a separate session data struct for this, or can I just include it here? What will go in that session data? Time would go in there. Is there anything else that would justify making a separate struct? I don't think so. So in this case, I would just do save time. It kind of reads my mind. It's kind of crazy. I don't like the name though. But it is what save time means. But it sounds like you want to save time, do something else kind of thing. But I mean, it makes perfect sense to have that. Thanks, Copilot. In that case, it'll just be save data dot save time. That's already gonna be a string. I think those are five things I need for those data fields. Okay, so that's there. I would update the UI for that. Now we need to handle when the button is pressed. Public void on what should I name this one? Save slot button. What for the select button? That's probably not included name for that one. I would probably say slot button. Like that better. So let's change that. Fun. All these are I can just go back to these. I think it's probably oh, hello. Hydrate, thank you. Actually, it's empty. Good call. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some more water.
Trying to fight the demons in my mind.
I'm back. Hard workers need lots of water. Yep. I don't drink enough water. It's really bad. I am chronically dehydrated. Okay. Where was it? Oh, so this. Oh yeah, I forgot to finish renaming this. It's gonna be slot button. I think I renamed it because I wanted to drag stuff and I couldn't tell which one, so I'm gonna go back and just rename these again. A lot of back and forths. Okay. Alright. So when you click that button, so here's something that's different from the tutorial because I'm trying to do some slightly different. So on mine, I have combined the start game UI and load save UI. So I have to think of two separate things. If it's empty and it was clicked, then I need to show, do you really want to, or not really want to, but start new game dialogue in that box. Otherwise, start the game. And this one, know what to do for Mira. Otherwise, and then I have to wire up the here. That's one button. But I have also here update load slot. If there's save data exists, then you update this one. You show this panel. But otherwise, already loaded as no, like the this will show by default. That's actually okay. I might not need the else statement, but I'm supposed to disable this delete save button. Well, actually, I'm not gonna do that here for now. We'll see. We'll see if we need it later. But in this case, here is where I need to activate that, because I need to show that button. Okay. So I'm gonna actually need another function for that. That's when this is pressed to show slot, delete slot, confirm, delete. Alright, let's implement these. First of all, let's put this up in the editor. This up. So this button will be top button. And on here would be slot. Oh wait, this slot. Menu save slot. It's part of organization is kind of off. Okay, this guy. That one? No? What am I doing wrong? Menu save slot. Uh-oh. Where is this coming from? I don't have save slot menu script, do I? I've renamed things a lot. Oh, there it is. It's this one. Save slot. Where is this? Oh, when did I do this? Oh my god, I hate that this opens a separate LED for Visual Studio. So I'll just work on this one. For some reason I have double. I must have forgot to like rename stuff. Oh, I know why. That was the wrong one. Save slot. That's it. Got confused. Did I set it to private? No. What is going on? Saying it doesn't have. Why is that? It worked for this. Maybe it did. One button. I think I'm missing something. What the heck is wrong? There's no errors? How did I do this one? Because I've done this one. It's not. Oh, you drag the object, not the script. Okay. I think that's why it wasn't working. Go back to... That one's supposed to be, I think, here. There it is. Save slot on load save slot button. Then delete button will be save slots on delete save slot button. Alright, so those are hooked up. Now the functionality for it. I'm gonna do the load save last because it's gonna require a lot of refactoring from down here. This one's gonna do disable I guess I could actually just overlay on top of it, so like this. That looks okay. I'll just do return delete panel. Here. And that means I need those buttons active also. Well, actually, I think it does childs also. I believe. Need to ask that. So. Unity game object set active. Deactivating game object disables each component, including a text renderer, gliders, and scripts. Okay, that's deactive. But what about active? Does it work recursively? Unity, the active does work. But I don't need one. So Unity activate, activate. Children only become active if they were not explicitly deactivate themselves. Oh, okay. So that might be a problem, because if I did this separately, then probably won't update. In this case, I probably don't need confirm and cancels, because the panel itself will activate and deactivate. If I do that, Which is good because I actually didn't do it. Wait, I probably don't need those references. The editor's probably gonna complain though. And save it. It'll probably just remove these 2 buttons each. Okay, cool. So all the references still there. So that means all the buttons inside that is gonna be active. Now I need to section these off. Slop. And here I will add some more functions. This in here. Cube. Click. Oh my god, my typing is so bad today. Confirm, delete, save. Button. Damn, I'm gonna need another draw UI. Go back to like no slots off state. It's probably good to have a state machine for this. Can do this one pretty quickly. Confirm delete panel, selective, pulse. That's all I need to do for that. Yeah. That's it for this. This is the already did this one. So here in this case would be wow, what the heck? Confirm new game panel. True. Or am I doing it like that? True. This will be all the buttons for be very similar here. That'll be for new game button. Game. False. Okay. Basically, the UI wise, other than loading, actually going to the level scene. This is gonna be a little bit complicated, but that's kind of set. I don't know if it's a state to test. Let's see though. Ooh, there's already an error. Object reference not set to instance and object. Save slot 55. Save slot 55. Okay, why is that? What is this game object? Where is the save slot attached to? These ones. Okay, so that's fine. That's set to its own. But because it's inactive. But I did say slot menu. I said get the inactive children. Set a breakpoint here. What is going on? Did we hit anything? It's already... Oh, it's because of this. Okay. So save slot objects. Let's delete all this stuff. What's happening to... Okay. Save slot menu is null. Because I moved that to be the... yeah, I need to get component in parent. Because I think this has the slot not on here anymore. I should probably also do like a null check there. For now, see that. Okay, no error so far. Everything's empty slot because I don't have any saves. Which sucks because I kind of wanted to... Oh, okay. That didn't turn off. Oh gosh. My back is broken currently too. I didn't do anything to that. This is a problem. I want it to be... I need to disable the other ones when you click on this, because... Yeah, start on all the slots. Okay. Oops. So what was the issue there? A couple of things. One, pressing cancel did not work. Even though I did this.
Close your eyes.
Oh, I didn't wire these up. I'm an idiot. Okay. Go back to this. Confirm new game panel. Go that one. Cancel on click. Go drag this in. Slot. Cancel new game button. Or yes. Click. Confirm new game button. Okay. While we're at it, do these two. Yes, click. Confirm delete. So delete save. Okay. Now. Wait, did I only change it on one? What happened here? Or rather, what happened in the first one? Must have overrid.
Close your eyes.
What did I override? I don't think that matters. It's fine. Rather than setting active, I need to make it if I want to make sure none of the other ones get clicked. What if I do that? Hold on. So this is on its own slot, but I need to have a way to invoke on the other slots. Eesh. Hunter, what's up? Excuse me. Excuse me. Sir. How can I get a reference to the other save slots? Because this is only for one. I do have reference to the save slot menu, which has reference to other slot objects, so I could do it that way. Disable slots and probably get, hey, you thought of me. You understand. I think I have a slot number there. I don't know about this though. Okay, that works. Then we can try to do. You do the opposite. I'm gonna have to call from here when these panels are get set to if then I will disable other save slots, so it'll be save slot menu dot disable other save slot and my slot number. And then when you set it to thing here on cancel, you have to set the. I'm worried that this is gonna move the thing. Like once you disable it, hope this doesn't like move. What it looks like now. Okay. My controller currently doesn't work. Yeah, it does move. But I mean, this is fine. But it's hard to see the name of the slot number. Cancel goes back there too. It's kind of like. It's cool that this does that, but I think in the user experience perspective, I rather have it stay there, you know, right? So it misleads, like people might think it's 2. I would somehow need these to be. Is there a separate thing I could do as far as disable the button? Oh, I could do that one. Or ooh, I could do. If I have reference to this button, then I could do it that way. But I think it needs to visually show that it can't be selected. I think there's disable color. There might be a way to do it instead of doing it like this. So this game object would grab. Oh man, it's gonna get a little bit messy. I would need reference to individual ones again, like. The slot will have its own save slot, but then its own buttons. I mean, I could do it, but it's gonna be messy. Do I have slot select button? Do I have this? This might need to become public, or I could call a function. Yeah, I could call a function. Save slot could create a function to region. In this region, I will create a function. Say we'll select button. Actually, it can't be just a button because if I have a disable or delete button down there, it's a separate one. I need to do actually, let me look at something. Is there something called not instead of set active?
You sure do like to share your opinions, talking big like somebody's listening. Nobody's listening. It's so fun and games until it doesn't toss me out. I'll hit the ignition. Now you listen. Hop up in the window. Smaller and smaller you fade out. Hop up in the window.
I think I could just disable the script. I think.
Sorry, but we're not the same. No, we're not the same. Boo-hoo, poor you. Please forgive me, cause I don't
Maybe
feel
not.
any pity. I'm fed up with lies. You wanted my demise. Now you're watching me rise, rise, rise. Up in the window. Smaller and smaller you fade out. Up in the window. You cannot get my vibe. No, there's no way. I'm flying high above all your gravity. Trying to bring me down, but I'll never stay. Hey, hey, watch me levitate. You cannot get my vibe. No, there's no way. You can say what you want, call me insane. Trying to bring me down, but I'll never stay. Hey, hey, watch me levitate.
Seems like I can't find those questions.
Watch me levitate. Hey, hey, watch me levitate.
You can use the enabled. Okay. Okay, dot enable might be the way to go. In this case, instead of set active, I would have to get component of and save slot.
Got drunk off your lie, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug.
Save slots. It's already type of
You're playing with fire. No, I didn't on the bread, but this time I won't
part of
like
this,
I did yesterday.
right?
You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it. I can't
So instead of trying to grab its game object,
You broke my heart once again. With your breath and your back for me. I can't give it. I can't
maybe like that. Oh, that's gonna be true.
far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you.
I think that might work.
Been to the dark side.
I might not even need to do this.
If you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger. I'm stronger. I'm stronger today.
Reference script on this behavior is missing. It's gonna do that, I think. I think we'll get a lot of warnings. Oh, for some reason you can still click it. Even though I said to disable it. Plus I will give you a script that's attached to the other slot. It's been disabled, but it still works. Yeah. All three of them are enabled right now. So if I click on this, slot 2 is disabled. Slot 3 is disabled. But I can still click on it. What the fuck? This disabling script is not gonna work. Unless is it because I'm calling it from the outside?
We used to be solid, not falling apart. Things never not okay.
Also, 1 second, I didn't do
Used to be honest, not pulling my heartstrings.
this.
Every other day you change your mind. 'Cause when you're high, you call me
Mhm.
lonely. Some kind of little toy for you to wind up when you land in bed and feeling lonely. I'm tired of being deployed like that. Getting busier and busier, so disorientated. First you want me, then you're busy. Girl, it's not that complicated. Got me tied up in a leash and running, going round, round. You got me running in a circle. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to us? Round in a circle. Back where
That
I
should
started,
do this one, going back to the main menu.
I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to us? Round in a circle.
Okay, that works.
Back where I started, I'm stuck here like glue. You could keep me on loop.
That still does not work. Wonder why that is. Even if you disable the script, it seems to work. I think it's because the UI element still calls that function.
Guess you keep coming back after telling me off without even feeling sorry between goodbye and hello again. Thought we could grow again. How about no again, again and again? I'm trying to tell you we can't be friends. Struggling to comprehend that we broke up and ended again and again.
Grabbing this one's game object, right? This one's game object. So I do have to do something different here. So I would need this guy. Delete both of these. If I disable the slot, it's gonna rearrange the things. If I do disable this and disable that would work. Let's try that. So that means I need this public and that public. Then here lock select button and delete select button. Ooh, I can't do this either. Because if that slot actually doesn't have data, it wasn't showing it before. Now it's gonna show it. It's better to actually call a function in here. So I would need to re-enable this. So that's probably better to do it this way, because I want to keep these private. Case then I can do then we have this, right? So if this guy has saved data, well, disable's fine. Disables, we do both anyway. Okay. We do enable. Buttons. In this case, we can always show that button to true. For other, for this one, save data, then you that's true. here. This is gonna be disable slot buttons. And this is gonna be enable. Okay, I think that's simple enough. Test. There it is, okay. Can click on other ones. Alright, the functionality works. Cool. That's good. Those are wired up.
I've been trying to fight the demons in my mind. I'll prevail with every battle if I'm right.
I can't really test the delete until I have some save data. So the next thing we have to do is actually create a save data.
If I left it all behind, 'cause we can find a way. We can find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We can find
What we should do is when we start, loading new game. Let's do a new game and then probably create a save data there. So the tutorial has it so separated out. So if I go, so I need to get to a new game menu.
Just take my hand. We'll leave this place behind. No second chance. I know there's more to find. 'Cause we can find a way. We can find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We can find a way.
A new game button. Show all this, which is same as what we have now. This is also doing load and save data.
We can find a way. We can find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We can find a way. We can find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We can find a way.
I think the elements are very similar. Creates a new save data like default values. Which I also have here. Label.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November.
New game, so those are redundant because
I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with
got all these save slots already. The data's already there. We do the same exact thing with the UI. If there isn't one, not when we call it after delete slot.
at the festival that we met at, where you were
Okay.
just a face in a crowd, and now I can't
So I guess we call this again after delete.
anybody else as we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you.
So I might need to just call this after delete here.
November, you and I fights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
This case here, else.
It's with you. As long as it's with you. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least it's still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I fights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. New Year's Eve, 300 miles, counting down. Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you. You are so heartless, and you don't care.
We have to switch to no data.
You know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in a deep, and I can't fight it. I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need. So don't leave me alone. La 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 la. Don't leave me alone.
Would have to go to
La 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 la.
setting the UI back.
Don't leave me alone. I know it's reckless, but I don't care.
like it. Now I have to switch the panels here. Not bad, actually. We would go to
Oh man, you need some
that's
headphones,
true.
bro.
You know I said yes.
I think I can't do it here because this is the called by pressing on that element from that panel. So if I disable it, it's gonna probably become null exception or something like that. So actually, it doesn't matter if I do it there.
You need some headphones, bro.
You know I said yes. You know I said yes.
Show to show that panel to be active. Buttons get
You know I said yes.
you could probably call update slot UI, and then you can check this. That's better to do
You know I said yes.
here. Delete and then call it that. And here,
Oh man, you need some headphones, bro.
all these will go up here.
You know I said yes.
No data, so gonna get that. It's gonna show.
You know I said yes.
Goes like that. And we would need to disable the delete panel also. that would work. So once you delete that save, it should return to normal. That's built here. That means I need to also call that. And now we also need to set the save data to be equal. So local data. Existence of human hearts. The data needs to become how do I delete it? Re? Very basic thing, but I'm having trouble. Look it up.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you ask my name,
C# does garbage collection manual.
before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they
Can I
told
just
me
set it to null then?
yeah, face value, had you at a
Feels
glance,
dirty.
but nobody ever asked if you could dance. Well, only wanted to
I feel like that's
somebody like me.
not great.
Panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.
Yeah, I didn't think I could do that. That sounds very dirty because it's an unknowable value type. So how do I? So this is a struct. Do I just say new? But the thing is, I don't want to have. Oh well, I guess I could just do that because no matter what, it has it. So I just set it to that. That's fine. But now I need to delete from file. This is a file name, right?
Somebody like me.
I guess I should probably do a null check. The rest of them there. It doesn't have that file. Well, even though this is only shown if it has something. We don't have to delete it, but we still would have to do these two. There's something. It's not gonna exist anymore. I'll set it to false. Okay. And those are delete. Now I need new game and loading save steps. Right. Almost there for just main UI linkages. I'll be right back. Alright. I feel like the light's getting dim in this room. Bulbs are about to go out or something. Or my eyes are not getting worse. New game time. Yeah, what's up, Hunter? guess I can still guard. There's some weird thing happening. Oops. Shouldn't happen, but just in case. Ooh, what's up, Hunter? Wow. You're fully just leaning. What is this? Doing some good pets. Hold on. Break time. I'll get me some pet techs. Get some loving. Yeah. Love you, Hunter. You just flop on me, huh? Know that I'll pay. Good boy. You're not forgetting. Love you too. So what was I doing? Let's just try to get on with this.
Entombed in my mind, can't see
Going somewhere, Hunter?
lost in time, thinking about
Man, it's almost midnight. Can't even get this done.
cause I don't know if I can do this again. Now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside. I died for you,
You gonna go? Hmm?
cried for
No. Okay, you're not.
cried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you. I cried for you. I tried.
Now I need to get the system, or save system code. Hi, Hunter. Okay, so I haven't gotten into this save system at all yet. But a lot of the functionality from here is gonna go. We're fading to black for loading the game.
I cried for you. I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you. I cried for you. I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding.
I think I do have some kind of loading stuff here, right? Very similar things.
Cried for you. I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding.
private. Whoa. I don't want all this crazy autocomplete here, do I? Yeah, I don't think I want all this. To black action. Do I have a I'll probably hide the I think I need this one. So I want even this to be false. What did I have reference as? Oh, I only have reference to save slot view. Okay. I will need to hook that up. Rename that to this is where we're actually gonna do.
Close your eyes.
I hate all this complete autocomplete shit sometimes. We'll hide the menu first. Have to load. Okay. Oh, so we're loading on this side. But I have the progress bar. And the scene to load and stuff is done.
Close your eyes.
Okay, let's see how this is supposed to go. Oh, they're loading the scene here. This is just showing the progress bar. But at some point I had load, but I'm missing. The reference to them. Where the fuck was I loading these things? I have scene manager, load scene. That was go to scene. Pause menu had. Scene controller. I had a scene controller. Now that makes more sense. Where did I have that? That was managers. Scenes. Okay. Scene controller was doing something at that point. Fade out and change scene was done. Swap from that swap from door. Did I go from main menu to persistent, all these, right? So on play, I was getting to menu.start game, which was the function. Oh, that's what it was. I was calling load scene async right there already. I missed that fact right there. Okay, so then I would hide the menu.
Man, you need some headphones, bro.
Set the loading bar to active. let's do this because we need the persistence one all the time. Hey Yui, how's it going? Going so far so good. Today's been a little slow because I bit more than I could chew. I was trying to do like a simple save system and then got carried away, so I'm implementing like all the slot based saving system, so I took on a little bit too much for today, so I don't think I'll finish in time. But as far as UI goes, I hooked it all up. Now it's a matter of actually loading the scene and creating my first save data. Thank you. Enumerator. Okay. IE. Oh man, I'm so bad typing today. So I'm kind of refactoring because I already had the main menu just without the save, and moving things around, getting confused right now. But so that I need to fade to black once I'm fully loaded, which I think I'm already have. Yeah, I already have it here. So then I need to load the scene that I need to be loading it in save slot. How am I doing that? This guy, so the tutorial that I'm following fades to black first and then loads the scene. But I have a loading bar in the main menu. So instead, what I could do is do that and do that. Once I select load to async, I need a level to be loaded additively here after the start. Okay, so I need to do what I did here. I'm gonna have to change this all around. I think I need just need to call I guess I can expose scenes to load and pass the scene over. Oops. I think this is a scene field which I don't have. Save slot. I only have the string. Why I handle? I want to probably do similar things to then I call coroutine, I think, right? Yeah. I think I need to have some type of reference to main menu because the loading bar is at the main menu.
You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting.
First of all, I need to grab the scene.
And you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been
Scene
fighting
field,
for.
which returns a string. So in this case, yeah, Hunter, what's up?
I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need.
Scene data dot B. Yeah. Sorry, Hunter. Hold on. But I need to add this to the loading bar. That buddy. Hmm? You hungry? Is it night snack time? Sorry, I'll be right back. I'll feed the kids.
So don't leave me alone. La, 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 la.
Alright. Where was I? Alright, here is the thing. I don't know if doing this like separately like this works, but what does this return? Seems to load is just this async operations. I guess async operation. Not sure if this works. Do I start coroutine here? What if there's a multiple? There. That would take care of what the old one was doing. What is this coming from? So I will handle this. So then it goes to scene manager. Sorry, scene folder. What happens is upon scene loaded. Is it raining again? 1 second. It is. It's raining again. Love it. Sucks that I can't open Windows, but hey. Okay. And upon scene is loaded, it's gonna start the fade in effect. Not changing from door. That's set to false. Blah, 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 that's done. Thing is updated. Okay. Very curious if this is gonna work. I kind of want to put a delay in there because this right now goes immediately. Well, I'll probably have cutscenes and stuff, so it doesn't matter. Even I don't even know how to handle that yet, but it's fine. This will just start a game, but still, I don't have. Probably remember this. The only thing I don't have is actually saving and loading, which was what I was gonna do. But I think right now I'm just doing the UI transitions and I can do the rest of them tomorrow and see. I bet there's gonna be a lot of bugs right now anyway. Yep, there's compiler. Oh yeah, I didn't. Why did I add that coroutine? I don't need this. I can't really test the deleting of the scenes stuff yet because I don't have a save file. So at least let's try to play. Ooh, hello. That scene load did not work, and also why did it not go to the scene? What happened? What I want to do? Did I change the functionality of the button? Main menu, start game. Which, oh, that's why I'm supposed to go to show save slot menu now. Where'd you go? Okay. Menu, slot menu. Okay. Now proper. Play. Slots. Oh, I don't have the controller select stuff yet. Focus, but select that. Yes. Of course, it doesn't work the way I want it to. What is it saying? Object reference not set to an instance of an object. 157. Why does it keep opening a new one? I don't understand. Gonna be save slot 157. Main menu. Oh, yeah. Duh. Component in parent main menu. Let's put that probably above. Trying again. Play. slot. Yes. Dang it. Now what? Cannot load scene. Invalid scene name. Screen is empty. An invalid build index. Let's see what's happening here. Ah, okay. Because I set that to currently that scene is nothing. How did I? The scene field that I've assigned for level 1. Where did I assign the scene field?
Even now, you're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout.
Oh, those are spawn points.
Can't stop me.
Can't remember. Did I set it in persistent?
Through the blood and pain, game of survival.
Controller.
Watch 'em run away. I got none. I'll be standing on my own. Never gonna take my throne.
I dragged the scene field somewhere. Can't remember now.
I got no, no, no. I got no, no, no.
Oh, I think this. I just dragged that into, I think, scene control. I thought it was scene control. Maybe not.
We can do this face to face.
Is it main menu?
It's coming real soon. Doesn't matter what you say.
Oh yeah, scenes to load. I think the ID is just level 1. How do I deal with that? If I add something to the scene field and assign good. Think of a quickest way to do it right now. Right now, based on we dragging the scene asset into the thing, we're getting the name from that as a string. Yeah. Is there something as scene ID? Field.scene name. I think that's fine because when I save, I'll probably save that. So in my save data for now, base. Let's do a scene string to be level 1. Static field or struct field initialize not available in C# 9.0. Please use language town or greater. Struct with field initialize not explicitly declare constructor. Okay. I think I need to do it as a list, right? Is it array? I'm not. I don't know C# that much. I've been like relying on tutorials. That's- how do you? Okay. Maybe I should have not used this as an array. Just use it as a list. That should work, right? I need collection. Parameter less structures are not available consistently. Really? Okay. I mean, I could just make that a class, but there. Let me just pick Google search.
Sure do like to share your opinions, talking big like
Oh,
nobody's
oh,
listening.
oh.
Nobody's
Could
listening.
do.
It's so fun in games until it doesn't toss me out. I'll hit the ignition. Now you listen. Hop up in the window. Smaller and smaller.
.NET 5 C# 10 allows that, but not for now. How old is C# 9? I could initialize struct fields in line. Okay.
Try to paint me like an old name, so sorry, but we're not the same. No, we're not the same. Boo-hoo, poor you, please forgive me, cause I don't feel anything.
I wonder if that's supported.
Realize you wanted my demise, now you're watching me rise, rise, rise. Up in the window, smaller and smaller you fade out. Up in the window, yeah.
See if Copilot's correct. Probably not correct. Feature is not available. Yeah. That's. And it even said C# 6 plus. I could just initialize it. Just keep it there. And new game, I guess, for now. Trying to speed this up so I can go to sleep. I gotta work tomorrow. Isn't one. On game start. Here. This is the very beginning of the game, so let's just do the load save is gonna be where I'm supposed to use this variable, but I could just hard code it for now. Then I could put a to-do. Or something. Okay, right. Play. Slot. Yes. Alright, cool. Now it works. I am satisfied for today's progress.
Close your eyes.
Need to rework enemy respawn. All that stuff. Does pause menu still work? Need to fix the focuses or focus or whatever on menus, controller, all that stuff. Still a humongous list to go through. Alright, cool. So at least that part is working, so I'm gonna wrap it up today. And next thing is gonna be save slots. Not save slots. My brain's fried. Actually saving at least just the player position. I don't have all these fields ready yet, but at least this guy, and then when I rework my enemy respawn stuff, spawn points,
Close
I
your
can
eyes.
do this. All right. Let's commit all the changes. Rebuild. Sure I don't get any errors. And there it is. I have an error. Reopen the project. Why does it have a link? Do I use link? Alright. A lot of these just get randomly added because of Copilot. And, hey, what's up?
We used to be solid, not falling apart. Things never
I think I'm gonna delete these.
you were mine. You used to be honest, not pulling my heartstrings. Every other day you change your mind. 'Cause when you're high, you call me like I'm lonely. Some kind of little toy for you to wind up when you land in bed and feeling lonely. I'm tired of being deployed like
My volume on the computer is set to low, so I didn't hear your thing. I think I heard it. I'm not sure if I'm late. I want to point out the Unity editor code. You need to wrap those in Unity in a region so you can get those errors. Yeah. So I've been doing that, but some of those things like I don't actually need. So I just deleted it and see, because I don't know if it's. I think it got added by accident when I was using Copilot. Assuming. Hopefully I didn't break anything in the editor by deleting it. Maybe I did, I'm not sure. Okay. It looks pretty good. There's loading bar and stuff. Okay. Okay, so then there's no errors now, so let's finish this stuff.
I used to respect you, thought I was enough. Yeah, it feels like half a century ago. Guess you keep coming back after telling me off without even feeling sorry between goodbye and
Git. Actually, I could do that in Visual Studio now. I forgot. Oops. A lot of files today. Why did these change? How long have I been using it? Maybe 2 months now, I think. Yeah, I've been at this project for about 2 months. Not very long. I'm very new to this whole thing. I played around before, like a long time ago, but I never like actually got through to doing things more than just like playing around with making a pill move around and stuff like that. So this is first time I actually like trying to do it. Thank you. like tutorials are definitely helping me like learn a lot very quickly. These are new prefabs added. Need all that stuff. These stuff. Yes. Oh, I did move them. That's why. Rumble. Oh, I forgot. Did I not add the Rumble stuff to? I guess I didn't commit those. I put a Rumble to test it on Dash. But I'll also do that on a separate commit. Actually, let's stage all of these and do that first. Is there anything else that's other than save related stuff? I could probably refactor these ones. The same commit. What did I do in movement collisions today? Oh, okay, that was just clean up, whatever. Clear, I added some interfaces. Really, for the persistence, I did that, so I can keep that. What about dash? That was for Rumble. Persistence. What did I change on settings? That's just the public, or what do you call it? Publish settings. To be honest, I could just lump it in. I'm getting lazy with Gits. What else? Refactor. Those. Right, rest of them is persistence stuff. Payload. Rework. In progress. I'll put that in the front. With those. Alright. Clean. Push that up. Okay. I think that's it for me tonight. Oh, check out Git Amend on YouTube. Really good videos. Is it for the command line stuff? I'm very used to command line, but the Visual Studio, I just updated Visual Studio to 2026, and I just noticed that it had a Git plugin stuff. Usually VS Code, I've been using it over there, but it's nice. I'm trying to use it more. GUI tools. So my workflow used to be, even at work right now, it's like command line git, git bash, and then git k for the diffs. When I feel fancy, I change it to use a Beyond Compare, which is really good, but I'd rather have something built in. It's nice. Yeah. Alright. I think that's it. Good time. Usually I go way too long and like struggle at work, but I can go to bed pretty happy today. Pretty good progress, at least I got the UIs all hooked up. I haven't tested the save deleting and loading from saves yet, but we'll get there when we get there. Alright. Yeah, thanks E for stopping by. I'm gonna head to bed now, but usually I stream around 9:30 Pacific. I kind of mix it up. Usually lately been mostly game dev stuff, but I started out streaming just playing some games. I'm currently playing Celeste as a like cooldown game, so I think I have a last chapter left there on that, so usually switch around, but see how I feel tomorrow. Alright, thanks. Good night.